Hey guys, my name is Damien Bilak and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an extra $1,000 per week on Clickbank. Now, these are my results from last week and this week. I did a quick case study for you guys to show you that everything is possible. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this the right way, so stick to the very end, okay? So step number one, pick a niche. A niche is a category you're going to be promoting. So this could be health and fitness, make money online, woodworking, dating, spirituality, and my tip for you is pick your passion, okay? Pick your passion. What are you passionate about? This will make your life a lot easier. Let's go to the next step. Step number two, pick an offer. Now, Clickbank Marketplace. You want to go to the Clickbank Marketplace, okay? So let me do that right now. And what I want you to do is sort your offer from gravity, okay? So pick your niche you're going to be promoting. I promote the e-business and e-marketing niche. And what you want to do is go to search results by and go gravity now, because gravity is going to show you the top performing offers. Now, this is gravity of this offer is 171. Now, what this means is that a lot of affiliate marketers promoting this product are making sales. And my tip for you is to pick the top 3 from each category, okay? Because if you go to the very bottom and go like 6 and you see a whatever this is, whatever, 2 bloom, 4 gravity, okay, no one's making money with this. So you want to promote the popping offers, the ones that are hot right now. So this is a big mistake a lot of people are making. They don't pick a popping offer. So let's go on. Step number 3, the funnel. Now guys, you must have a funnel if you're going to be promoting products on Clickbank or JVZoo, whatever. You must have a funnel. Now don't worry, a funnel is really simple to make, okay? I use ClickFunnels. There's going to be a link in the description and a 14-day free trial. Now, the funnel is the most important part of the entire marketing strategy. 2019, 2020, no funnel, no sales. Simple as that, okay? If you're not going to use a funnel, then just get off this video, okay? Just go away. But don't worry, it takes 10 minutes to set up. Nothing too crazy. So this is what the funnel looks like. I call this the Clickbank funnel. This is the funnel every single internet marketer uses, okay? Every single successful one at least. And you're going to have to use a landing page, a bridge page. You're going to be redirecting them to the Clickbank offer. Now, the bridge page is optional. And what this page does is it basically pre-sales the product. So you can have a short video or you can have bonuses, you know, to increase the conversion rate, but you don't have to. This is optional. And if you're a beginner, I would just recommend you stick with a landing page and redirect them to the Clickbank offer. We're also going to be sending emails to the people that do opt in, because we're going to just be, you know, we're going to be promoting the Clickbank offer via email autoresponder. So it's all easy to set up, don't worry. Okay guys, so I'm going to make your life a lot easier right now. If you don't want to go through the funnel building process, I'm going to give you a link in the description, which is a shared funnel I created. It's top-notch, high converting. It's the funnel I used to make 380 this week and 243 last week. And bear in mind, I don't use Clickbank because I think their products are not the best. I prefer Warrior Plus and other sites, okay? So bear in mind, I don't use Clickbank, guys. I don't use Clickbank. This is just a case study for this YouTube video, but it does work. It really does. So the exact funnel I used to make the sales, okay, is this Clickbank funnel. Link in the description. It's a shared funnel. All you have to do is copy and paste it into your ClickFunnels account once you create it. There's a 14-day free trial. Now let's go to the next step. The next step is traffic. Now, you might have heard Instagram, okay, every single YouTube video, traffic, blah, 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 Instagram, grow a page, follow people, comment, send DMs, whatever. Guys, this is good for people with no money. But the cons are, takes a lot of time to build a page up, okay? No one tells you this. It takes a lot of time to build the page up and start getting serious traffic. Okay, it really does. This is not scalable. Okay, how are you gonna scale this? It's time consuming, frustrating, and from the start. So let me give you on a little secret on how you can skyrocket your conversions. This is how I made over 500 bucks in the last 3 days, okay? Solo ads and Instagram influencers. Now, yes, this does require a little bit of money, okay, front, small budget, maybe $50 to $100, but more is better. But you can also do this for free. And you know how? You can ask the small Instagram influencers to promote your product, and you're gonna split your commissions in half after you do so, after you get some sales. So don't worry, you can also do this for free. Now, solo ads and Instagram influencers. Why is this good? You get fast results, little work, big profits, and this is scalable. Okay, so all you have to do is build up the funnel, pick a poppin' product on Clickbank, okay? Top 3, as I said before. Make the funnel around the product. You can add bonuses, all that good stuff. You're gonna connect your email swipes, and the email swipes, okay, are already pre-written on Clickbank, on the Clickbank offer. The cons are you need a budget, okay? I mentioned this a few seconds ago, and you need to test a lot. Because if you pick a product, you connect it to the funnel, opt-in page, blah, 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 blah. You send visitors to the opt-in page, and okay, no one's buying. What's the problem? So the problem can be the product, the problem can be the opt-in page, and the problem can be the bridge page, okay? So you really have to test around. But let me show you exactly how I made the $500. Okay guys, so this is what I did to generate over 500 bucks in 3 days. I went to Marketplace, sort by gravity, and I'm not gonna tell you which product I chose to promote, but it's definitely one of these on the first page, okay guys? It's obviously one of these on the first pages. So I chose a product. I built a funnel around this product. So I built a simple opt-in page like this in ClickFunnels. This is just to show you how simple it is, okay? And I actually didn't even use a bridge page. So I sent the visitors to this page, okay? I sent it to a page like this. Well, let me save this right quick. I sent them to a page like this. They put in their email and they click to sign up, and they get redirected to the offer, okay? So to the Clickbank offer. And from there, I was able to generate a couple $100. Obviously, I paid a solo ad vendor to send me the clicks, and all you have to do on Udemy, this is basically solo ads. And what solo ads is all of these people that are listed here have a huge email list of laser targeted traffic, okay? And all you have to do is go to one of these guys, okay? Make sure they have a good rep, and you're gonna be paying per click. So what I did, I paid for 250 visitors, guys. I paid $118, and I sent these visitors to the opt-in page. Now I think about 30 to 40% opted in. The 40% went to the offer, and I ended up generating $500, okay? So I made 243 on Tuesday, and then, you know, I got a few more sales the next day. And what I did again, I bought another few hundred clicks on Thursday. So guys, this really does work, okay? But as again, I got a little bit lucky, and I think that I got a little bit lucky because you're not gonna make sales the first time, okay? So I got a little bit lucky. So guys, all you have to do is test around, okay? Pick a product, build a landing page, send them to the offer, and that's all there is to it. Guys, the same with Instagram influencers. Let's pick an offer, okay? Cinderella solution. This is an offer which helps you to lose weight. I would create a simple opt-in page. Secret reveals how to lose blah 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 60 pounds of fat in 90 days, blah blah blah, okay? ClickFunnels is really easy to use. And what I would do is I would make the opt-in page I get inspired by this page. So how one woman discovered the female fat loss code missed by the modern medicine and lost 84 pounds using 2 simple step rituals that 100% guarantee shocking weight loss. So I would make the opt-in page headline similar to this, okay? or maybe even copy it. And I would send the visitors from this page, okay, from the page we've built, and send them to the offer. I would go to Instagram. Make sure to follow me, guys, okay? Because I give away courses every so now and then. When I see people following me, I'm gonna pick a few winners next video. So make sure to click follow, like my picture, and like this video, comment below, make sure to subscribe, and you might be the next winner from my Clickbank Mastery course. Now, if you think this video is valuable, guys, my course is insane. So what I would do with this product, I would pick something like weight loss, and pick a page like this, okay? And this is just an example, okay? I don't want this video to be very long, but play weight loss. And what I would do, I'd make sure the likes are high. So this page is pretty good. You know, they have 13K followers, but they have a good like ratio. So what I would do is I'd message them, hey, how much do you ask for a post on your page for 24 hours? They're gonna send you, okay, we charge $20, $30, blah, 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 blah. They're gonna send you the price, and you're gonna create a little ad in Canva. Okay, you're gonna create an ad in Canva. You're gonna send them the ad, you're gonna send them the money, and they're gonna post a picture on their page. You're gonna send them the link to your opt-in page, and there we go. You're gonna have hundreds of visitors going to your opt-in page and potentially logging in and potentially buying, okay? So it's really not that hard. What else did I forget? Anything? So solo ads and Instagram influencers are the game changer. So guys, thank you for watching. And again, guys, I was able to generate $500 from this simple strategy, okay? So stop wasting your time with free traffic, hop on solo ads and Instagram influencers. This is gonna make your life a lot easier. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment what you think. If you need any help, contact me on Facebook.